how to create a bold text on Twitter. So if you want to tweet something and you want to change your font or make your text bold, this is how you do it. First, you'll have to open any web browser you have available and then create a new tab here and then search for Yay Bold Text. Once you search for this, the first link that shows up, you are going to open this, and here you can type your text. So here are a lot of options that you want, so I'm just going to choose the first one and copy it. Then you're going to open your Twitter and tap on this plus sign at the bottom right. Then click on post. You can just paste your text here, and as you can see, this is very different from the normal text from my keyboard. And that's how you can easily create a bold text on Twitter or any kind of text or font you like. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.